Thinking, now I wonder if everyone will be okay, and for a split second there was a little, oh, I'm not sure what's going to happen, this is a new experience for me. And then immediately I thought, well, it's going to be fine, I know it'll be okay. And from the very beginning, by the time I got here, very early this morning, the team were all here and everything just clicked into place. What really impressed me was actually the night before, when I met with you guys, there were no egos floating about, there were no drama queens. It was just, let's get this done, we want this here and that there and blah, blah, blah. So again, I felt very supported by you. And I think the day went really well. What was especially interesting was that, as you know, I had all my family here today supporting me, and they were the last ones to leave, which is pretty unusual. So I know that they got a lot out of it, my two sons got a lot out of it. The audience certainly got a lot out of it. I had a lot of comments, and I'll be picking up testimonials and posting those out later in the week. So it's been a great experience, and I think there's an awful lot of people missed out today because I'm not aware of anything like this happening in Scotland before. And this is something that we need more of.